Have you ever had a brilliant app idea in your head but felt stuck because you don't know how to code? Imagine just typing out that idea in plain English and watching a working app appear in front of you within minutes. That's the promise of MGX.dev, also known as MetaGPT-X, a new no-code AI platform built to turn ideas into real applications. It sounds like science fiction, but today we're going to test if it actually delivers on that promise. Is MGX the future of app building, or just another shiny AI tool? Let's find out. So first, what exactly is MGX? MGX is a no-code and low-code platform created by Deep Wisdom, the same team behind MetaGPT, the open-source multi-agent framework. If you've never heard of MetaGPT before, the idea is pretty fascinating. Instead of a single AI trying to do everything, MetaGPT uses multiple AI agents that play different roles, like a product manager, a designer, and a software engineer. These agents collaborate with each other, much like a real development team, to plan and build software. MGX takes that concept and packages it into a user-friendly product where you don't have to manage agents yourself. You simply describe what you want to build, and the platform's agents handle the planning, the design, and even the code generation behind the scenes. What can you actually build with it? The platform advertises that you can create SaaS landing pages, dashboards, documentation systems, Web3 project websites, and much more. Think of it as a mix between a website builder, a design tool, and an AI coding assistant, all wrapped into one. The key difference here is that instead of dragging and dropping blocks one by one, you can start by describing your project in plain English and let the AI agents generate the foundation for you. Once that's done, you can use MGX's visual editor to customize, refine, and polish your app without ever writing code. MGX also connects to backends like Supabase, which means you're not just limited to static landing pages. You can add real functionality, store data, and start turning your project into something people can actually use. Once you're satisfied, you can publish your project instantly with a shareable link, or download the code if you're on a paid plan. Let's walk through how it actually works. When you head over to mgx.dev, the first step is signing up for a free account. Signing up with Google is quick and convenient. You just click the Google option, choose your account, and within seconds you're inside the platform without having to set up extra passwords or go through a lengthy registration process. It's smooth, fast, and make sure you can jump straight into using the tool. Once you're signed in, you land on the MGX dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Right at the center, you'll notice a clean and minimal interface with the tagline, "Build your ideas with agents." Just below that, there's a text box where you can directly type your command or prompt. MGX uses different AI agents to handle specific tasks, whether it's creating slides, conducting deep research, drafting blog posts, or even building link hubs. At the bottom of the box, you'll see these options clearly laid out so you can choose what kind of output you want. For this walkthrough, I went ahead and typed in the command, "Write a detailed project proposal for an AI-powered fitness app, including features, target audience, and monetization strategy." This is a perfect example to show how MGX can transform an idea into a well-structured document. The AI immediately gets to work, breaking down the request into different sections. It starts by outlining the purpose of the project, why an AI-powered fitness app is needed. Then it dives into the features, such as personalized workout plans, real-time progress tracking, nutrition guidance, and integration with wearable devices. After that, it moves on to the target audience, highlighting groups like fitness enthusiasts, busy professionals looking for convenient health solutions, or even beginners who need step-by-step guidance. Finally, the AI addresses the monetization strategy, suggesting models like subscription plans, premium features, and partnerships with gyms or wellness brands. If you're a non-technical founder who wants to test an idea quickly, it's perfect. If you're a marketer who needs landing pages or product pages without hiring a developer, it's a great fit. If you're a student or hobbyist looking to learn how AI can speed up software creation, it's definitely worth trying. But if you're building something enterprise level, mission critical, or highly customized, You might be better off using MGX just for prototyping, and then moving to a traditional development stack. Now, here's the big question. Will platforms like MGX replace developers entirely? Personally, I don't think so, at least not yet. What MGX does brilliantly is remove the barrier to entry and allow more people to bring their ideas to life without waiting for technical help. But when it comes to large, complex systems with very specific requirements, human developers are still essential. What I do see happening is a shift. Developers will spend less time on repetitive coding. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you trust an AI to build your next app? Or do you think developers will always have the upper hand? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI LedgerX, and hit the bell so you don't miss the latest deep dives into AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.